Hey guys, welcome to, I guess, our fourth week of distance learning together. We are now in the last 6 weeks of the class. So, we have 6 weeks left together. Hopefully some of that will be face-to-face together and not just like this. So this week, we are going to do 304, 305, and 3.06, and it all has to do with marketing via direct mail, email, and using websites. So that's what we're talking about this week. Our Google Meets is on Tuesday, and if you want to meet, I had 4 in second period 1 in Google Meets last Tuesday. 4 were in there, and Katie Collins was my solo, so she's the winner for 4th period. So if something comes up and you can't get into, like if you have a second period and you can't get in there at the scheduled time, I think it's 10:45, then you can come into the 4th period one as long as you don't have a 4th period that's having a Google Meet on that same day. So your Google Meets are going to be Tuesday, and last week we talked a little bit about the stuff in class, but then we talked about a lot of the stuff going on with you guys and how you're doing and what you're doing and that sort of thing. So we've got the 3 objectives this week. They're not hard at all. And for my honors students, I am so proud of some of you guys. I have so many of you that have finished both the Set 1 and Set 2 discussions. You are just rocking it. Some of you are a little behind, so you need to catch up. My honor students, keep working on your energy bus book. I love this book. Even reading it over and over is so great. So keep those discussions coming. Make sure you go back. Some of you posted a discussion, and I went back in and I asked you a question about it. Make sure you go in and answer any questions I've asked you. So I hope this week is good for you. I can't wait to see you on Tuesday, and I hope that you are having a good week this week, and I hope you had a good Easter.